Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and this is ANC Candles and Car Air Fresheners. Alright guys, my previous video that I uploaded was about the cardstocks and the blank cardstocks, how you guys can do your own iron on or using a heat press to, let me use the word, sublimate image onto the cardstock. And I showed you guys the method that I used using EasyPress from Cricut machine, and I also used the pressing iron to sublimate or heat transfer the image onto the cardstocks. Now someone has asked me where I got my heat transfer paper from, and I got the transfer paper from a supplier as well. Through a manufacturer, and this was about 2 years ago. I got this heat transfer paper. I got them when I was trying to sell some blanks to people, but the blanks that came in, they were treated by a special paper whereby we can't even transfer images from our heat transfer paper onto the cardstocks. So I had to stop that program, or stop that process, whereby somebody came and bought a whole lot of it from me. It's because I was like, I'm not going to use it. So I think it was a school teacher that wanted to use it for arts and crafts, and they just bought everything out from me. So that's why I didn't use those cardstocks at all. However, the heat transfer papers I still kept, and I still have a lot of them with me. So someone asked me where I got them from, so that's how I got them, and I still sell them on my Amazon store. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link to where you can buy them in the link in the description, so you can go there and get them. I have the laser heat transfer paper, and I have the inkjet heat transfer paper. So whichever printer you have, either inkjet or laser, you'll be able to use them. Okay, again, it's gonna be laser for laser printer and inkjet heat transfer paper for inkjet printer. Okay, I just wanted to make that clarification. All right, so I'm gonna do another test today, and this test I'm gonna use the iron on. Okay, because this morning, actually, before I went to work, let me show you guys this. So before I went to work, I came downstairs and I did an iron on one of the blanks that I have, and it came like that. It came like this. Okay, so the iron on did a very good job. The only thing you can notice is the kind of a burnt area, the brownish things you see there. Those are like burnt area because of it was really hot. Like I said yesterday, the one I did not apply enough heat on this one, so you can see that it didn't really come out as crisp as it came out the first time. Okay, so this morning I said, let me try it again, and I put enough heat on this, and it came out like that. Now what I did was I wanted to try and see how it's going to look also if I used the EasyPress on the other side. So look at the one that I did with the iron on, and on the other side I used the heat EasyPress, and this is how it came out. Okay, it's not as clean as this when it comes to the image transfer, but it's something. Okay, so I know some of you have the heavy duty heat press, the one you can, I think, buy on Amazon for $250 up to $500. That is going to do a better job than this. I'm just saying that now. That's going to do a better job than this. So if you have that, you're good to go. But if you don't have any of that and you want to start small, you can start with the iron on, and this is the result you will get based on the ability to transfer the image from your heat transfer paper onto your cardstocks. Now if you're using modern iron, don't use the steam. Don't use steam at all. You don't want to use steam. All right, preferably I would say use like an old iron, an old pressing iron like I have here. This one is old. I got this from the thrift store around me and I got it for $5, if you guys can see that. Okay, it's old and it's very, very useful, and it can get pretty hot. I believe hotter than 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe it's hotter than the EasyPress. That's why it's able to do the transfer. So today I'm going to do another one, and that's the last paper that I have. I've used everything. That's the last cardstock I have. So I'm going to try first using the EasyPress on one side, then I'm going to show you guys using the iron in high heat on the other side, and you guys can compare and see which one you will go with. All right, it's up to you to go with either iron on if you want to do a low budget startup, or you can go with the heat press that you buy on Amazon, or you can go with the EasyPress from Cricut. All right, let's get into it. So as you guys can see, this is pretty hot. Okay, it's 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it's 70 seconds. Okay, I want to see if this is going to, you know what, let me increase this to 80 seconds or more and see if it's going to do it more than that, so I can get a better transfer. I'm going to put it on 90 seconds, guys, and see if that's going to do the trick for me. Okay, let me show you guys. It's on 90 seconds. You guys can see that. All right, let's try that. All right, so I'm going to arrange the cardstock and the heat transfer paper. This is inkjet transfer paper, not laser transfer paper. Okay, all right, we're ready to go. As soon as I lay it on top, I'll press it, and now the countdown begins. Apply enough pressure on it. All right, I'll pause this video and I'll come back when it's 5 seconds left so you guys can hear the beep when it goes off. Okay, all right, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you hear the beep. All right, so we're out. I'm going to take this off immediately. It is hot. Okay, voila, and this came out amazing. Look at that. I think increasing the seconds to 90 seconds instead of 70 seconds did the job. Okay, you guys can see how clean it came out. Let me bring the paper. You can see that. See how clean it came out. So I think this is a go. This is a good machine actually to use. I think I just had to increase the timing, and so instead of 70 seconds, I said let's increase it to 90 seconds, and that worked. And also what I did, I applied enough force and pressure on the machine, because the heat press, the one that you buy from Amazon, the heavy duty one, they apply enough pressure when you snap it down. But this one, if you just lay it on top, it might not give it that pressure that you need. Okay, so that's why I said let me apply some pressure, and when I did that, this is the result I got. So the EasyPress seemed to do the right thing from Cricut. All right, guys, now let's try the one for the iron-on. Okay, let me take this off. So we have the iron plugged in, so I've increased it all the way to the highest, right? And now I'm going to be using this one, and it's going to be going to the back of this. All right, All right, so because I've had this burn mark around the cardstock from the heat of the iron, I'm going to use a paper just to lay on top of this so I can see if I can minimize or eliminate totally this burnt area from this. Okay, so this is just something I'm going to try live right now so you guys can see. If it messes up, then we know we shouldn't use that and we can just go with the iron on, or better still, we can go with the easy press or with your heat press. All right, it's hot now, right? Okay, so let's go in it. So let's go into it. All right, enough pressure I'm generating right now, and I'm going to do this for 20 seconds, because you don't really need too much for this, because this iron generates more heat than the EasyPress. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, so we take this off, and now we'll see what happens using this. We didn't get that clean cut, but it's still good, guys. All right, so we still see some crack here, like the C is not clean, like this C is clean here on this end. You guys can see that. But however, you know, this one still came out really nice. Okay, you guys can still see the dark areas due to the iron. Okay, all right guys, so you guys can see the results of both machines that we use. When I say machines, I mean the EasyPress from Cricut and the regular home pressing iron. Okay, and what we did today, we were able to use the EasyPress to create this, and this is smooth, better than this one we created yesterday using the EasyPress. And I told you guys the reason why. For me, I believe the reason is because I did not increase the timing. Okay, I put it at 70 seconds for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it gave me this. Okay, and today I decided to increase it to 90 seconds instead of the 70 seconds, and it gave me this clean finish. Okay, so I would say that the EasyPress from Cricut, it's a good machine to use for this cardstock and for the heat transfer paper. Okay, and also for the iron on, I would say it gave me this today and some of the dark brownish area, and it didn't give me the clean transfer all around. It gave me some, I would say it gave me 90% or 95%, but not 100% clean transfer, just like the Easy Cut did or EasyPress did for me. Okay, however, yesterday the iron on gave me a clean transfer, 100% clean transfer, because I probably put much pressure on it and it maybe increased the timing, and you guys can see how clean the transfer is on this. It's just the dark spot that was there. Okay, and yesterday the EasyPress didn't give me that of a clean transfer. Again, I've told you guys the reason. So my conclusion is this: the cardstock, number one, is a win. For those of you who are interested in getting just blank cardstocks and you've gone through Amazon to look for something like this and you couldn't find them, I would say this is a winner and this is a go. And I've talked to my manufacturer again today, so he can give me the cost per unit, per card, so I can start ordering this for people who are interested. All right, and if you are interested for the blank cardstock, I put a link in the description where you can go there and fill a pre-order form. You're not paying anything right now, You just go in there to say I'm interested in this, and then I have you listed as one of the people that will be getting this when we're ready to start selling them to you guys. Okay. And the other thing I want to say is this: if you're also interested in the heat transfer paper, I have the link in the description where you can get it from Amazon. If you cannot get it from Amazon due to your country, then you can contact me directly, and I'll find an alternate way to get them to you. Okay. Yesterday I also showed you, or the previous video I also showed you, that the cardstock absorb fragrance oil, and you guys saw that live. You guys saw that, you know, it wasn't something made up. You guys saw it with your own eyes, and it's gonna last for a long time. I asked my manufacturer what thickness is this, and he said it is 3 mm, and I'm going to look at it right now to make sure. I'm going to compare it with my other 3 mm's and see if it's really 3 mm. And I think he's right. It is 3 mm. It's thick. See that? See the thickness compared to what I have? So mine is 3 mm, and this one is also 3 mm. So that's where you guys will be getting a 3 mm thick cardstock that you can put your own image from your own home yourself, and you can add your own fragrance oil to them. However, the only thing you will be buying will be your plastic bags, your packaging cards, your ropes and stuff. So that's what you'll be getting, since you're not going through the program where I call it 98% done for you, where you get everything to you. All you need is just fragrance oil, and you can send it to your customers. All right, I don't know if I have any other thing I'm forgetting. I just wanted to show you guys exactly what to do when you get this cardstock. Again, you can buy the Cricut EasyPress, or you can use your home iron to use this and to do your transfer. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll put a link in the description where you can watch the other video that I did. And if you have any comments to make, you also put it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If for those of you who haven't subscribed, guys, subscription is free. Please do that so you can help me boost my channel as well. Thank you guys again. I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.